up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. Guys, we are here in Milford, New Jersey. We are on a farm buying a Mustang with the Mustangs over there. Take a look at these ponies. This farm is awesome. Let me show you the car. Let's go. This thing is clean. It's originally a 6-cylinder car. The guy had it probably, I think since 1985 is when he bought it. He restored it for his dad. This thing is clean. It's got a high output 302 in it, automatic transmission. It's got the upgraded wheels in it. It's got disc brakes, rack and pinion steering. Take a look at these HID lights. Look how cool this is. A lot of classic cars, when you buy them, you can't see really well at night. 1960s, 70s, the lights weren't great. HIDs are the way to go. Give it a little bit better flair. Brand new Kelly tires on it. This thing is nice. Let's take a look at the interior. Interior is in beautiful condition. No rips, no tears. It's got upgraded radio in it. Come on.
Steering looks like.
Steering's done in it. No rot, no rust. Not much bubbling on it at all. I don't see anything. Let's look underneath it. We'll check.
Flaw I saw.
Let's show us.
It's gonna be on that 1/4 right there.
Oh, here we go.
Just one little flaw.
I got a little bit here and a little bit here. There's your flaws.
Yeah. When you start this, when it's cold, you press the gas down once, set the choke. I have it running. I have it running.
That sounds wicked. That sounds great.
Gas tank in it too.
What was it originally? 289?
Yeah.
Yep.
All the metal in it too. There's not like the motor of this thing's probably got about 20,000 on it. But I will tell you, this is not a kid's car.
Yeah, sure.
Because you step on this thing, it'll light them up. It's a fast car.
But when you bought it what year?
83, 84.
So the rear, what you got? Open rear or posit?
The rear is brand new. It's probably not quite 2 years old. Brand new gas tank. Yeah, there's no holes in it. You go around with a screwdriver.
How's the undercarriage? Is pretty solid?
Yeah, it's one of the pans. The pans are, like I said, I replaced the pans.
Now, Chris told me the title. You said it was in your.
Well, I have it. Yeah. So like I said, I built it for him.
85. Look at that title, guys.
Yeah. That's the first time it was registered.
The guy said it has over 400 horsepower, so we're not going to see how fast it is, but we're just going to make sure it shifts good and drives good. Shifts absolutely fine. I can't open it up too much. I mean, we're on this bumpy, small little road. And I'm not even hammering. This thing goes. Let's see if this. Hopefully, this neighbor won't be mad at me.
Don't get in the grass. I think you'll be fine.
Yeah, the only thing I'm not a fan of is the disc brakes that are manual brakes. You still got to, they stop good, but you still got to hammer them with your foot. And that's not fun. It's got rack and pinion, but no power steering. That's just perfect. I can't open it up, and we're not going to.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
Hey, neighbor. Hopefully we can get the cops. Perfect car for somebody. Car is better than I expected. I knew we were going into a nice area. I knew it was going to be a nice client. I spoke to him before. I think the car is gorgeous. The paint is beautiful on it. There's no rot, no rust on it. It's got a nice 302. It's got upgraded HID lights. This is a perfect, it's above a driver quality car. So I mean, this thing you can take to shows, you can drive it, you can enjoy it. It's a nice Mustang. This is the way cars need to be bought. No rot, no rust, clean.
Yeah, it's upper class.
Yeah, and the guy wants to, he sold his house. He was a builder, so he built houses, and the guy's pretty well off. And he's just looking to get rid of it because he's got to move. So I'm happy. We got a great deal on it. Let's get him paid. Darryl, we got a deal, buddy. Cool. Appreciate you.
Cool. Here's your. Yours? I don't know. That's yours.
All right, guys. We just secured the deal for this Mustang. We're going to go ahead and load it in and head home. Say something, Chris. Come on. Come on. All right, Chris. What do you think about this Mustang we just got?
All right, so I agree. It's better than I expected. I really like it.
You sound so generic. I agree. Come on, get some.
Oh my gosh.
Let's load it up. When you buy a classic car, we got the title right here. This is the original title from '85. We got the VIN number here. A lot of times people will buy cars and they will not check the VIN number to make sure the VIN number matches on the title. There's times where I've gone to places, try to buy cars, and guess what? The person had the wrong title for a different car. We don't want that to happen because you know what? You can't sell it after that. You get stuck with it. I had a situation before where one of my guys bought a car and he was a collector of mine and the title was off by a digit. He was from Pennsylvania, he moved to Connecticut. Pennsylvania didn't care about it. Guess what? Connecticut cared about it. He couldn't register the car and that was a big problem. So we had to get Pennsylvania to do a letter of correction. They wind up changing it. Let's look right here. Here we go. Boom. 1, 2, everything matches. Good. VIN number matches title. So this car's the right car for the right title. That's how you buy it. Make sure you check your documentation before you pay. I see that also. People will pay for the car and then they'll check. After you give the money, it's over, guys. You ain't getting that money back. What are you gonna rip it from their hands? Make sure you do your due diligence. A lot of money involved in it. I am so thankful that the car was the way you described it. You wouldn't believe how many times I come out.
No, it's it's a driver. It's a fun car. I had it all my life. It dings, scratches, but it's a true car. It's not a no BS car. I'll be honest with you. I have an engine block in there, and I was gonna build a motor for this, and to build this motor again is $7,000
For that motor you built?
For that motor I built. I was like, I can't even.
I believe it.
I was actually gonna build a stroker and put it in there, and then.
No, that's got some.
No, it'll. Yeah, if you go out, it'll go. I'll sign it too. I'll sign it. I made 2 copies. And my wife's like, no, she's like, I still got because we're literally cleaning out the house right now.
Yeah, I would have sent you a regular bill of sale if you had a printer, but it's all good. Well, again, your money's over here. Let's go get Chris will count it for you. We appreciate your business. One more thing I want to say to you. Did you serve for us?
That was my dad, Korean War vet.
Well, I want to thank your dad, thank your family for your sacrifice. We appreciate our vets.
Yeah, he enjoyed the car for many, many years. He's 90. Still riding a Harley.
Let's go, let's go. You can't make it up.
Yep, yeah, still got a Harley.
Thank you, appreciate you.
But yeah, enjoy it. So have fun if you keep it.
Right.
A lot of fun, just respect it.
Yeah, for sure.
Because you get away from me quick.
Stop.
Sheesh!
Yeah, right?
That was close.
Yeah.
That was close.
How close?
Close.
Forgot the winch was there.
Yeah, you're right under the winch.
Yeah, I forgot the winch was there.
Hey, you alright?
Yeah, we're good. Perfect.
You good. Any other car? I still had that in the garage. That's the original pony off it.
Oh, no.
I cleaned the grill off and I like the look better, but I was just like, oh, I was looking at it, I was like, I got that friggin' pony. It was hanging in the garage.
That's cool.
It's from '66.
I'm keeping this. This goes with me. It's going to my office.
I like the look of the car the way it is. So.
Yeah, it looks clean. Cool.
Yeah,
it really does.
loved it.
We're keeping that.
It really does.
I was like, oh, I gotta give him that.
Yeah, I actually put that in my office as a keepsake. Yeah.
Yeah, I kept it over my toolbox.
Yeah, cool. Appreciate you.
All right, guys. Have a safe trip home. Thanks
You too.
again.
It's on the strap. We're doing the two fronts?
2 fronts, and we're gonna lock in the rear. Hey Ben, before I gave you an envelope, I asked you to hold it, not to lose it. And it's right here. Our title almost flew away, guys. On camera, man. You did it. That hurt my ears. A little bit, slow, slow. Straight out, straight out.
You wanted that.
Maybe do a burnout.
Yeah, shut up.
Yeah, right.
Dory fell away.
Yeah, tell him.
I spalled in it.
Look at that L.
You guys are crazy. These young kids, they just want to burn rubber. That's all you need to do. But you got to make money. Burn paper, not
Burn paper. That's even worse.
No, you'll burn paper. No, these young kids, they want to burn rubber, which burns paper. Because you lose money if you break the car before you sell it.
It's a long day. Successful though. We bought the car. I mean, I'm hungry.
See you tomorrow.
Haven't ate all day.
Chris gets hangry, man.
It's time for some
If
food.
he don't eat while
I need
we're
that
doing
protein. Yo, I need that protein, yo.
All right, guys, we just got back to the shop. Mustang's here. We're gonna go over it, put it up on the lift tomorrow. Make sure everything checks out, and then get it up for sale. Appreciate you staying tuned with us, watching through the video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe. We need to change the algorithm so we can be shown more to people that like this kind of stuff. Later, people. Thank you.